Hi, welcome back to the Clever Capital Fund channel. If you're new here, please be sure to say hi. I love meeting new people and interacting with all of my Clever Capital enthusiasts. So let's talk about the real secret to successful investing that not a lot of people get into, which is the strong investor relations. It's not always about the numbers, folks. It's about building trust, transparency, and a genuine connection with your investors. So whether you're putting your hard-earned money into a real estate fund or any type of investment fund, having a strong investor relations department is key to ensuring not only their success, but yours. And let's talk about why. At its core, investing is all about trust. When you invest in a fund, you're not just handing over your money, you're placing your trust in people managing that fund. This is why the relationship between investors and the fund's management team is absolutely critical. Think about it, you wouldn't hand the keys to your house to a stranger without knowing if you could trust them, right? It's the same thing that goes for investing. Having a strong, open line of communication helps build trust over time. Investor relations are how the fund managers keep you, the investor, informed, build transparency, whether it's good news or bad news, let's be fair, and make sure that you feel very secure in your investment decisions. In my experience, one of the biggest concerns for investors is feeling left in the dark. No one wants to invest their money and then wonder what's happening behind the scenes. Investor relations bridges that gap with regular updates, detailed reports, and just being available to answer questions are all part of creating a transparent relationship. Transparency is one of the most critical aspects of investor relations. When you invest in a fund, you really deserve to know what the heck is going on. This means regular updates, clear communication, and honest conversations about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Because let's face it, markets can be unpredictable. So you really want someone there no matter what's going down. But a transparent fund manager will also help you navigate some of those stormy waters. So bottom line, you should always know where your money is going, how it's performing, and what the outlook of the future is. Quality investor relations means not only sending out regular reports or financial statements, but also explaining why certain decisions are being made. If market conditions change or perhaps the strategy shifts, investors deserve to know why. This kind of transparency creates confidence and even when the markets fluctuate. But let's not forget, investor relations isn't always about just the reports. It's about keeping you, the investor, engaged and feeling valued. A good fund manager is proactive, reaching out to investors with updates before they even ask the questions. Sometimes they'll provide insights into market trends, explain new opportunities, and of course ensure investors are always part of the conversation. Another crucial element is the long-term relationship. In most investment funds, success doesn't happen overnight, right? It's built over years, sometimes even decades. As an investor, you want to feel confident that the people managing your money are thinking about the big picture, not just short-term gains. This long-term vision is built on the foundation of strong investor relations. When investors trust the management team, they're more likely to stick with the fund through all the ups and downs of the market, leading to, of course, better overall returns. As an investor, you deserve a team that's accountable for their actions. Good investor relations means owning up to all the mistakes, of course, celebrating successes, and always striving for the best possible outcomes. So, why is investor relationships so important? Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the numbers or the assets. It's about people. It's about building a relationship of trust, communication, and of course, sharing some of the same goals. Investing in a fund is a very long-term commitment, and strong investor relations ensure that you're confident and well-informed throughout this whole journey. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe for more insights on real estate investing. Obviously, if you have any questions, I'm here for you. Please feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. See you next time.